Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are another Sunday evening. Ended up getting called out to work yesterday, so I didn't get anything done on Delilah. Put in a 14-hour day, so didn't have a lot of time. Anyways, we're out here Sunday night, and I am going to work on replacing some wheel studs. So this one's only got one missing. This is the front drivers. I think the rear axle has 3 or 4 missing, so I kind of overbought, but I figured there was potential for something to go wrong again and maybe not be able to find them next time, so I bought extra. So that's what I'm going to work on. I'll get the camera set up and I'll show you guys the process I'm going to use. Let's see if we can pound this one out. It is moving, I believe. Hope so. There we go. So that's one out. So, broken one, new one. I think I finally ordered something correctly. Let's see if we get that wiggled in there. Okay. Then not gonna fit over that. I'm gonna check that with the torque wrench later. I don't want to over torque them and end up wrecking it. So I'm going to repeat that process on the other ones and I'll show you them all done. Well, that one's super easy. There's one, there's 2, and there's 3. Well, that was actually a very quick and simple job, so I'm glad it all worked out for me this time. And the studs were right on to the universal joint. But that'll be for another video. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.